All the cut-in cylinders in the Cobra Fortis range are adjustable if you need to. And to do that, you have to take the cassette out of the mower. So we've taken it out here on this bench here, and it should be that when they turn, they should cut paper. So what I'm going to do is just put on a pair of gloves, because these are sharp and we don't want any accidents. So when they're adjusted, this is the bottom blade here. This is the cylinder that cuts onto it, and it should work like a scissor action. So if I just hold that piece of paper in there and turn the cylinder, we can see it cuts. And always do that at one end, in the middle, and then at the other end. And we can see there we've got a really, really sharp, clean cut. But if for whatever reason it's knocked off cut, sometimes if you hit a piece of wood or a stone, it can just knock that off cut a little bit. Or if you feel it's not cutting quite right on the lawn, you can adjust them. And to do that, it's very simple. Either side we've got a locking nut, and we just loosen that locking nut a little bit. And then at the top here, there is another little nut there that we can slacken off, and we can put a screwdriver in there and we can just tweak that down just a fraction. So we've got the locking nuts on this side, and of course they're repeated on the other side, so we have to slacken them both off to get that even adjustment across the bottom blade. Try it. If it's still not cutting or it's too tight, we might need to loosen it, or if it's not cutting, we might need to tighten it just a little bit more. We are talking a fraction here, and once you've got it cutting, as I've just done with that piece of paper, then we can tighten everything up and tighten these locking nuts, and then it is ready for action. Again, you can fit the cassette back into your mower. And just another interesting fact about both of these cylinders in the mower, this is the 6-blade. This has 102 cuts per metre. If you've got the 10-bladed cylinder, that's 176 cuts per metre. That is constant when the engine is running, whether it's on tick over or whether you've got it on high rev. So should you want to mow at a slow walking pace, just lower the revs on the engine and you still get as many cuts. If you want to go faster, give it a few more revs and then you'll get a perfect cut.
Remember to register your Cobra online at www.cobragarden.co.uk, and always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.